Hi guys, good morning to all of you. This is 7th of March 2025, Friday. Now today is the first Friday of the month, hence therefore there will be NFP. NFP stands for non-farm payroll. This is where the employment statistics, they will actually calculate what's the number of people being employed. And the thing is this, okay, the consensus at the moment right now, they're all looking at about 159,000 jobs created versus previously was 143,000. So they're expecting better numbers. So if their numbers is good, that will propel or be recover the stock market. But the thing is this, if you compare this number with the ADP number, which is the government sector number, the previous was 186,000, and back then the consensus was 141,000. Okay, that means they expect a reduction in the government sector, but surprisingly, the number that came out was 77,000. That means it's half of the consensus. So that was a bit shocking. But one thing that on the same night itself, right, the ISM non-manufacturing price was better than expected. Expecting 60, came out 62.6. The ISM non-manufacturing PMI was also better, so that basically recovered the market a little bit. But the thing is this, as of yesterday, the initial jobless claim was consensus of 234, came out 221. It is good, but it's still high at the moment. So with all these numbers, right, we just need to be very careful about tonight. So usually we do not trade in the morning. Sorry, we don't trade before NFP. We trade very little. If you want to trade, then the volume just reduce significantly. All right, all clear? If all clear, press number 1 right now. So in short, today NFP go slow, go light. If not, don't trade until the NFP result comes out. Yeah. All right, disclaimer apply as usual. Please make sure that you do your risk management before engaging fire into the market. Okay, so let's just look at the market right now for gold. Let's start gold this morning. Now, when I start anything in the morning, doesn't mean that I got put in priority. Just happen to be I'm watching the chart right now, so I'm just sharing this with you. Okay, so let's go. Let me just make the chart a bit smaller. Okay, here we go. Okay, so gold this morning, the opening price is 2911, and the MLP in this case is 2915. Okay, so in short, very simple. Below OP, below MLP is always a sell. And this morning, the gold price came down immediately down by 2 KTR -1. Later, I take a 5-minute chart, take a look, yeah. But one thing to note is that there's a MA30 there is 2901.9, and the market actually touches that and rebounded. So it kind of made me feel that maybe the market is trying to pull up and above the MA30 to stretch up. So very simple. If the market does do that, the rebound will be above MLP, and the market can go all the way up to this 2923 level for the gold for the upside. Okay. So upside for gold itself, it can reach over there, 2923. Okay. Yep. Okay, so that is for the gold upside. Now the downside, now if the market breaks below OP, which is now, and also break convincingly the MA30, then we may actually see 288.26, okay, coming down to pivot 2. Now that means that if the non-farm payroll is good, right? I mean, good means, right, the data it shows that more than 200,000 jobs and so forth, or more than 180,000 at least. That will means that there is a good reason for the Federal Reserve to consider cutting interest rate to continue what is happening, and then that will basically bring gold higher. Okay, but if the result turns out to be that the data earnings is pretty bad, then of course the market will have a knee-jerk effect first, and that may cause the market to come off a little bit. And when that happens, right, then gold may also follow through. Yeah, so there is a possibility of doing that. Okay, so now watch out for the NFP. So downside is 2888, upside 2923. All clear? If all clear, press number 2 right now. Okay, all right, let's continue. Now the KSI is red, the KCX is black, so we have a conflict of signals here. So what do we have to decide from here? Now big boys is obviously better than retail, but something in here is a mistake note. Yeah, that means that over the last few days there were a lot of this recovery upwards, but the KSI is red. Do you notice that? So actually, right, what we are having now is a potential elephant trade. Yeah, a potential elephant trade. Yes, Caroline? You're drawing one chart. Okay, all right. So elephant trade, yeah. Okay, trade setup. Okay. So which means that if the gold price do actually fall, oh, this could be catastrophic. That means that if gold price really, really fall, we're gonna see gold coming down to here. And that is how low is that? That will be giving you a low of 2832. Okay, 2832. Okay, so guys, watch out for this. It is possible, yeah. It is possible that you can see gold going down to 2832, the low of this entire cycle due to the elephant trade setup. Okay, all clear? All clear, press number 3. No worry, Caroline. I know you did it not on purpose, don't worry. Just making a joke out of it. Okay, all right. So let's go to the 5-minute chart for today. Okay, here we go. This is the 5-minute chart of today. Now, someone asked this question yesterday, very interesting. How come sometimes the whole point don't have the diamond? Yeah, no, every time got diamond, but imagine every moment got diamond, then the diamond no value. Right? The diamond only appear when there's KCX or because it's blue cyan. If there's going to be a 4 diamond, you need more than that. You need the bar to be yellow, KSI to flip from red to green, or the so-called the KCX, right, from this blue to black color. All right, all these must come together. Then you can see the diamond impact. Yeah. Okay, so for today, this morning, gold move sideways and then suddenly it goes below OP without much saying, and it slammed down all the way. Now, before it go down, it touches the MLP first, but obviously no impact. And then it went on to KTR -1. Okay, so the one -1 is already been given. So if you have done it, congratulations, you have profited from the market. Our EA also has traded on it. So now the thing is this, the market is ding donging right over here. Do not trade, okay? Because first of all, it's the NFP night itself. And usually after the market hit KTR +1, the rest of the ding dong here is very pointless. Unless you want dummy, you're gonna build a position all the way from here. You build a position, then once you hold them all the way, then it's possible, but that is not what the story is all about. Yeah. Okay, so that is goal for this morning. All right, let's look at the Dow Jones first. Now, always start the day with the Dow Jones day chart first, then get a feel of the market before you go into the intraday. All right. Okay, so this is the Dow day chart. Now, have you noticed this by now that the selling the last few nights always come in the late afternoon of the US market? Have you feel that? That means that you only see the selling boom really come in about 2, 3 a.m. until 4 a.m. How many of you actually has done that? If you've done that, first word me, okay? First word me. Now for me, obviously I did. Yeah, for me, I every day sleep only 3 to 4, the most 2 to 3 hours to 3 to 4 hours because I'm watching the market, writing reports, and then preparing myself and stuff like that. All this right, take a toll on me, but I just hope that you guys benefit from all this little short MAO that I'm doing right now. Oh, so only I am the only one who's doing this. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones right now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars down. Below OP now, above OP now, but below this MLP. Okay, so what does it work? That means that by right it will be going upwards, and I believe that it will go to 42,746. So I think that the market could be going there. Okay, but at the same time, there is even more, you know, good stuff. Okay, that is actually around the corner here. Now, one thing to note is that the KCV 2422 989, and opening price is very nearby. And I think it's this if the market do actually goes up right and breaks above pivot one, that means the market may actually goes all the way up to here itself. All right, it's all possible if the market stay tuned to the opening price. Okay, all clear? Okay, all clear. Press the next number, which is number 4. Okay, data issue. Okay, just continue again. So the thing is this for the Dow right now, you can see that the opening price for today is 42,581. The MLP is 42,793. So today the MLP is above the OP. All right. So by right, there should be selling pressure, but you know the market is going up, right? So if you notice this by now, almost every time in the Asia point time, the market will purposely push it up. Now I have a little bit of theory here, which I always share with my friends. Is this okay? If the morning the Asia market push up, right? And then in the evening or night, the US market will push it down. That is actually the market is bearish in the US side. So the Asia timing is more like for them to recover the trades and then pump it up, prepare for the sell down in the evening. So that's one theory that I created in my years of trading experience. So vice versa, right? That is for the bear market. In a bull market, you see opposite direction. You see the boys will purposely push the Asia price down, and then after that, at the night, they push it all the way up itself. Okay. So because of all this, right, I just feel that now the US market is actually at a very brink of some heavy selling to come. So let me explain to you why is that so itself. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, so first of all, we can see that the market went up recently and all is good and all beautiful. But now, if you want me to show you another chart, I think this morning you may have noticed that. Let me just show you this to you. Oh, okay, so everybody pay attention to detail. There's something extra that I want to share with you today. When the market is on an uptrend, okay, what do you see? Okay, this way it gets interesting. First of all, you can see black turns white next day and white come a few days. Black turns white, then white a few days. Black turns white and white a few days. Can you see that? Interesting. Okay, so that is when the market is uptrend, yeah? So what if the market is downtrend? Oh, then it's going to be a different show altogether. Okay, you can see that after white, you have a couple of days of downside, right? A couple of days downside. White to black, couple of days down, and you can see that happening again. Okay, so got an idea now, guys. So that basically this is what's happening now in the US market. So I'm not surprised today the Dow Jones to be at positive. I'm not surprised, yeah. I'm not surprised. All right. Then after that, if the market, if you look carefully in the one the market is going up itself, you will notice that okay, you'll notice that once the market down one day, it will go for the second day in a row. Right, down one day, and then you have yeah, up one day, sorry, up one day, then after that 2 days down in a row. So same thing again, 2 days in a row, 2 days in a row. Can you see that? So the thing is this, what do you think of today? All right. So you think today is a black candle or a white color candle? Please key in the group chat right now. Do you think by today it'll be a black color candle or this white color candle? Please key your thing right now. We do consensus here, so we learn from one another. Just like yesterday, when everybody was looking at gold to go to 2940, only one person at least look at 2900, and of course, gold went down instead. Wow, very detailed, Allison. You expect black and hope to break 42,511. So where is the number from? I think you all should know, right? 42,511 is actually here. 从这 corner 拍啊，这边这样看。 Okay, so let me take a look at here. This is the previous KCB here. Okay, the previous KCB is here. So you can see that this is where it was, and you can see for 1, 2, 3, for 3 days in a row, the market touches the KCB and then rebounded over there. Okay, and that is the level that what I think this Allison saying the uh this number, which is 42,511, is a very strong KCB level, very strong. Yeah, just keep on retaliating over there. Okay, so now the thing is this: if the market do break below 42,511, because might not on the scale, and two extra KCB is actually available. So this number is the one that we are waiting for, which is the 42,295. Okay. The other number that the market is looking at will be here, which is, oops, sorry, 41,919. 41,919. Waiting for my celebration. Yes, indeed, indeed. Now today the Dow Jones at 42,652 now, right? Okay, so if the Dow Jones really come down to this point, 42,295, our contact aims, and we do a small little celebration together. Okay, so let's us trade together. All clear? If all clear, press number 5 right now. I'll take a picture of this. Okay. Now, I'm not adamant that I must definitely sell Dow Jones, but it's just that because the pattern is clear, when it's a black candle, usually there's another black candle. Do you notice that? Not too difficult, right? So when the market is sideways, you will see alternation. When it's uptrend, you also see the same thing. Every black will invite the next white. So that's why it's not difficult to trade in the market. You just need to know the trend as of now, not long term, but the short term trend, and then you just have to follow through the repeated pattern. So it's a very easy game, right? To me, it's like a game. So if the market later on do break below OP, definitely you see me shorting the market, and I will still definitely aim for this number, which is the 42,515. All clear? Okay, all clear? Press number 6. Okay, because one thing to note is that the KSI is also red, KCX also blue, and the retail now is signifying that they are selling heavily because the KCX already blinking already. Yeah. So all these are the things that I'm watching. All right, last one for now will be crude oil. You know, someone want me to cover crude oil extensively. Okay, let me just cover crude oil. Now, crude oil, whether it's US.oil or US.F is future, the movement is the same. The price is just only about 10 cents different. Okay, so the same thing. So I'm going to talk about crude oil today. Yeah. Okay, so you look at crude oil. Now, let me ask this question, right, guys? This is point A, point B, and point C. Now, if you listened to me just now moments ago and you really value what I just said, okay, A to B, what trend is this, everyone? A to B, what trend is this? You really need to be um, eyes not good not to know what is this. A to B, what type of trend is that? Waiting for your answer, okay? If you tell me something different, I'm gonna faint though. Okay, the answer it will be uptrend, right? Exactly, Vincent, Allison, Janet, uh, Susan Ng, September 12956. I don't know who said. Okay, Alice upright. Okay, excellent. So obviously up. So vice versa, B to C is down. Okay, so remember the mantra I tell you, right? If it's uptrend, what do you expect to see? You want to see black color candlestick. Why leh? Once you see black color candlestick, the next day will be like God of Fortune. Oh, sorry, if you see black color candlestick today as of closing day chart, Next day is your God of Fortune day. You will know what to do. So, right, God of Fortune can be for everybody. It doesn't mean for any of our Chinese. I mean, I'm talking about the God of prosperity. Okay, okay. All right, downtrend. Downtrend. You just see white color. That means that all you need to do is that when you see white color closing, you'll be the happiest person on earth. All clear? All clear? If all clear, press 7. Now, this is really something that I give it out for y'all, and I want y'all to really use it and make money from it. End of the day, when you make money, you don't share the profit with me, all right? But you make money, you get more of your friends to come in, then of course we make ourselves happy. Now, the art is that do you believe in it? That's all. Okay. So all clear, right? Not difficult at all, right? Okay, very good. Okay, so let us see now the market. Y'all see for yourself. Don't say that I bluff you. Okay, so let's change it to the black and white candlestick, all right? Okay, and then I change it to black and white. Okay, so now I change it to black and white. Okay, let's take a look, everyone. Okay, I can bigger a little bit. There we go. Okay, so what did I say? On the uptrend, all right? When this market is on the way up itself, what do we look out for? Black candlestick. So after black candlestick, what do you expect to see? White color. After black candlestick, white color. Can you see that? After black candlestick, white color. This is uptrend. So simple. You pay thousands and thousands for courses, and end of the day, I just do this with you. Next moment, you know what to do already. Easy? Okay. So how about downtrend? Yay, downtrend. What color do you want to see? White color. Because after white, black color. After white, black color. After white, black color. Hey, wait, KEL. How come this one never turn white? They turn black color. Okay, look carefully. This guy was white color, right? This guy, actually the tail came down a lot there. It was actually very black color. Then after it rebounded. Okay, rebounding on crude oil is possible because you must understand it's a barometer of the market. So it's very easily manipulated. But in a downtrend, after two white, oh my God, do you see the black? Oh, this is bad, right? So repeat the process. See white, see black. Okay, hey, wait a minute. Here got 3 white lay. Kelvin, you're wrong. Look carefully again. Yes, there were 3 white color candle, but 1 black candle settled almost everything. So you understand the point. So it's not saying that 100% will be like that, but it's that you just need to prepare yourself. Okay, in a downtrend, okay, and a downtrend whereby people will buy intensively. All right, if it let's say you see this guy is white color, right? So by right, this guy should be black color, correct? By right. So only thing is this: if the market stays above OP, you just buy lah. As an OP rule, you just buy. But with the thoughts that okay, if it stays black color or it goes below OP, then you sell. That's the whole objective of that. So yes, KEL, see, you're down 3 days in a row. You're all wrong. Yeah, right. But then the next day, if you go and look, you and buy, you're dead. You understand my point? It's not 100% thingy, but it's just that you just need to know the trend very well. So you see, guys, when the market was 4 days up itself, right? If you noticed your KSI was red in color back then. You cannot recall. Okay, never mind. I bring you to you. You take a look, you see? You see for yourself and tell me whether you see it. You see that? This is the 4 color candle bar, the one when what color, right? What do you see in the KSI? All the way red. Can you see that right now? So which means that it's an elephant trade at the making. Hence, therefore, when the market actually was up, I was preparing to short this every day. I was preparing, and the day when the market started to stay below OP, that's it, all arms fire. Okay, got the idea now? Okay, so make it simple now today. I would love to see white color today because the black color have been down for 4 or 5 days already. I know, okay. So if the candle stay white color today, then Monday will be a very easy day to trade. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press number 8 right now. All right, with this sharing itself, we'll end the session. We'll go for a short 1 hour, 1 minute break, 1 hour break, 1 minute break, and I will come back and then we will talk about yesterday's market. All right, guys, thank you very much. I hope you learned something today. Okay, try it out yourself. It's pretty cool. Remember, sideways market a bit tough. Okay, bye bye.